Today's episode is all about the views, and of course, we're gonna start with the balcony view.
It continues with bedroom views.
And of course, we've got living room views.
And we've even got rooftop views. So stay tuned because we got all that and lots more on today's episode. All right, Chad, here we are, LAKHouse Waterfront Residences. What an addition to downtown. What a location. Barrie's newest waterfront condo. Tell us a little bit about this location.
Yeah, this location blows my mind. You're literally steps away from some of Barrie's best restaurants, bakeries, coffee shops, not to mention the coffee shop that's opening up in this lobby as well. As soon as you're done, you're only a hop, skip, and a jump right back home.
It's an unmatched location, that's for sure. Walking distance to downtown, but for me, it's the proximity to the water. We're 40 feet from the water's edge here. There's no road, there's no other buildings in play. Truly a spectacular location. And then of course, the masterpiece of the building in behind us here. 10 stories, Scandinavian design, such a unique feel compared to the other buildings in the city of Barrie. But let's talk about the suite we're in here altogether. This one is loaded with unique aspects of it. Not all floor plans in this building are created equal. In this case, we've got uniqueness in parking, in ceiling heights, in outdoor space, all the things that are crucial when you're considering condo living, and then an amenities package that's gonna blow your mind. Let's head upstairs and take a closer look.
We're not gonna start with the shiniest feature, but arguably one of the best. No other condo in the city of Barrie has parking right in your back door, with spot number 5 at about 50 steps brings you right to your unit. Let's go.
Prepare to fall in love from the moment you walk through the front door of this suite. Now, I know you're gonna love it because of the unique features that are specific to this floor plan in this location on this floor level. Chad mentioned the parking, which is a very cool feature. Now, once you come inside the suite, we've got 11-foot ceilings. You won't find 11-foot ceilings outside of the first floor and the penthouse in this building. So it is such a unique feature, and it makes a huge difference in space in here. We're 833 square feet plus the giant 200 square foot balcony. More to come on that later. And we're entirely open concept. The living room, the dining room, into the kitchen, it all flows seamlessly, all with breathtaking water views.
Now from the living room into the kitchen, I'm loving this open concept design. With the 11-foot ceilings, the modern kitchen cabinets and the quartz countertops, it's absolutely beautiful. You have a nice full bath off to the side and a bedroom or a den in the back as well.
Another incredible living space and more unique features. We're outside on the balcony now, which is such a phenomenal extension of your living space, but not just a little balcony here. Unique to this first floor location, we've got 200 square feet of outdoor space here. Now, we're not just talking about 2, 3, 4 months of enjoyment. With the Lumon balcony system in this building, you're gonna be able to enjoy this outdoor space for 3, arguably 4 seasons of the year, with this glass being able to move side to side, either enclosing you all together or opening it right up to the elements to enjoy that view. Because you've got space out here for dining, for lounging. This is just an ideal space that you're gonna spend a lot of time at. Check this out. How cool is that? And now we know the building is spectacular here, a AAA location and a suite that is filled with uniqueness. But now we have to dig into my favorite part of what makes LAKHouse spectacular, and that is the amenities that come along with it. These extensions of your living space are unlike any other list you'll find in this city. Of course, we've got an incredible party room that's got a specific exclusive dining area that all overlooks the water. You got a fitness facility with another spectacular view of the water and its own outdoor space. Then we're into the sauna, the steam room, an oversized jacuzzi, all overlooking overlooking beautiful Kempenfelt Bay. But it doesn't end there. We've got storage for bikes, we've got storage for kayaks and stand-up paddle boards. And then of course, where do we find ourselves now, Chad?
That's right, Scotty. We're up on the rooftop. We're on the 10th floor. Now, whether it's looking for barbecuing, to gas fireplace, to lounging, to dining, or the spectacular view, this rooftop has it all. One of the best views, arguably, that Barrie has to offer.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know condos.
For more information on this listing and more alike, visit our website.